Now, if you wanted to design this program, here's how you would do it. Let's say this is a cliff right here. Your potential clients are over here for you. And this is you on the other side with the results that they want. This is where they want to go. This is where they are, their reality right now. All they need is a bridge for them to cross to get to the other side. Now, this bridge right here is the program. And the way you design this bridge is very simple. First thing you want to do is draw one of these spider diagrams or whatever they call, and draw out everything they need to do in order for them to go from the sad phase to the happy phase, to go from their current reality to the place that they want to go. Once you have all of the steps, all of the things they need to know, all of the things they need to implement and learn and do, all you have to do is just put in the order. So take, again, a piece of paper, divide it into these boxes, step 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different steps, and this right here are the steps that they got to take in order for them to cross the bridge and go from left-hand side to the right-hand side. Deliver this in a group setting rather than a one-to-one setting because we don't want it to take too much of your time, but we want them to get the maximum results they could possibly get.